Hello everyone, today we will introduce the single-use circular stapler and accessories from Victor Medical. We will mainly introduce the component names and usage steps. First, let's introduce the names of the components and accessories. Knob, item code of product, safety lock, indicator window, firing handle, reload, anvil, orange shipping cover, 2 accessories, traction cone and sleeve. Now, let's move on to the usage steps. First, remove the instrument from the packaging. Rotate the knob counterclockwise 2 turns. Remove the orange shipping cover. Continue to turn the knob counterclockwise until the orange mark on instrument shaft is visible. At this point, you can remove the anvil. Install the accessories. Install the traction cone on anvil shaft. Install the safety sleeve on the shaft of instrument. Retracting puncture shaft. Insert the anvil into purse string. Tie the suture into the purse string notch. Ensure tissue is snugly against the anvil. Insert the instrument into the tissue. Rotate the knob to make the puncture shaft pass through the tissue. Remove the sleeve and traction cone. Pushing the anvil shaft firmly into the instrument shaft until there is a click is audible clearly. Rotate the tail wing of knob clockwise to close the instrument. Close the space between cartridge and anvil until the red firing indicator is within the green zone. Please note that there is a safety design inside the instrument. The safety lock cannot be opened. Do not force it open if the pointer is not in the green area of the indicator window. After closing the instrument, wait for 15 seconds before opening the safety lock. At this time, it is in the ready-to-fire state. Fully press the activation handle down during the firing process. There will be a noticeable empty feeling and a crisp click sound. Continue to grip the firing handle for 15 seconds. Cautions: if the handle is not fully grasped at the time of firing, may lead to poor stapling or incomplete cutting. After 15 seconds, close the safety switch. Rotate the knob 1.5 or 2 turns. Gently shake the instrument. When removing the instrument, please wiggle it from left to right while pulling it out. After removing the instrument, carefully check the hemostasis of the anastomosis. If there are incomplete suture areas, please add vertical stitches accordingly. Remove the instrument. Open the knob and take out the anvil. Then remove the cutted sample and the cut-off knife ring. Check the stapling condition of the anastomosis. Check if the tissue sample electrode ring has been completely cut off.